everyone, my name is Anise Taylor and I'm the COO and co-founder of Snap Refund. At Snap Refund, we empower insurance companies with a digital claims payment platform that speeds up their claims process with instant and digital payments. I'm here today because my love and appreciation for Base 11 and the Next Frontier Conference. It was at the Next Frontier Conference that I really truly honed in on what it is that I wanted to do and had a dream in my heart that I wanted to achieve, but just didn't know where to set out to do it. It was at the Next Frontier Conference that I was inspired and learned that I wasn't the only one that thought that crypto and digital payments would change the world. It was at the Next Frontier Conference that I got a chance to see a wonderful presentation from Coinbase's Darren Carter, as well as a powerful interview from Base 11 Landon Taylor and Coinbase's Alicia Haas that really inspired me to go out there and, rather than just sleeping on my dreams, actually doing something about it. I decided to go get my master's in blockchain and digital currency from the University of Nicosia because of the powerful presentation that I saw at the Next Frontier Conference between Base 11 and Coinbase. But it wasn't just me sleeping on this dream that allowed me to make things happen. It was the fact that I got up just like you guys are, attended the Next Frontier Conference, was inspired to live out my dreams, and actually did something about it. I really do believe that crypto and digital payments will change the world. I believe that there's a whole population out there that will be relieved of financial anxiety because of the tools of digital payments and crypto. So, what I'm here today is to share with you a little bit about my dreams of wanting to change the world, what I did to make this a reality, and also what you can do to make your dreams into a reality. Since we've launched our platform, we've transacted over $100,000. And in addition to that, we've been invested in by one of the biggest insurance companies in the world with Northwestern Mutual. So what I'm here to do is show you how I was able to make that dream into a reality. So please join me as I share these 7 steps to make your dreams into a reality. So step number 1. Decide and define what your goal and your dream is. Everyone has a gut feeling about what they would love to do and what they want out of their life. So what the most important thing for you to do is to trust your instinct. That's really the key here. You have to be true to yourself. You have to identify what is that dream. What is it that you feel in your heart that you really want to set out to do, and trust and go out there and do the work. Step 2. Don't let the noise or the doubters block your dreams. A lot of times what happens in life is that we share our true dreams and what our real feelings about our desires and what we want to achieve in our life. And we sometimes share it with the wrong people. And what they want to do is, obviously they care, but they may stop you from actually achieving your dreams, saying like, oh, you can't do that. Oh, you're crazy. That's too big for you. Don't let that noise stop you from achieving your dreams. It's really important for you to just trust what you have in your mind and in your heart and block out all the noise and just go out there and get it. Step 3, invest in your dreams and in your education. No matter what we do in life, there will always be a level of education needed to make it a reality. That is the key point here. You don't have to finish high school to be a rocket scientist. You could go out there and just study it yourself. The most important thing, though, is you have to invest in your education. And that means investing in the time spent in giving yourself an education. Investing in the resources that you need to give yourself a proper education in what it is that you want to learn. Yes, I want you to finish high school. I want you to finish college, get your master's, go out and get your doctorates, all of that. But the most important thing is that you just want to take your time and invest in your education to make your dream a reality. Step number 4, jump into your dreams and don't hold back. You see, the biggest problem sometimes is that we just sleep on our dreams. We just say, you know what, I'm really not going to do anything. I'm going to think about it. Man, how I love to be in that movie. Man, how I love to start that business. Man, how I love to open up a digital payment platform that transacts thousands and millions of dollars. But you can't just sleep on it. You actually got to get up there and you got to do something about it. So the most important thing is when you have your dream, you just have to jump right into it. Next step. Do the work to make your dream a reality. There's an old proverb that says, pray to God, but still tie up your camel. So what that means is that you have to do the work. Have faith, but really do the work. That is the key here. You never want to just say, hey, you know what? I think next week I'm going to go out there and I'm going to start this business. And then a week comes and you say the same thing about next week and give yourself an excuse over and over again. What you really have to do is you have to believe in yourself. You have to get up and you have to do the work to make your dream a reality. Vincent van Gogh has a famous saying that says, I dream of my painting, then I paint my dream. That's the key here, guys. You got to dream of what it is that you want to produce, and you got to go out there and you got to produce it. So dream of what you want to do, and then go out there and paint that dream. Next step. Network, network, network. People often say it's not what you know, it's who you know. Well, I'm going to do you one better. What's really important is who knows you. Nobody's going to know you if you're just sitting in the crib doing nothing. If you want to get out there and watch people on social media and not share what it is that you're doing, nobody's going to know what you're doing. You're not connecting with people. If you're not getting out there and going to conferences like the Next Frontier Conference, what you're here today doing, then nobody's going to know you. So the important thing is you got to get out there and you got to network, network, network. Find different conferences, find different activities with people that are in your field that you can go learn. Discover the people that are really doing it, what it is that you're dreaming about, and go follow them. Reach out to them, ask them questions. Do the things that you can to get people to notice you. So my thing to you is get out there and network, network, network. I'll definitely say you being here at this conference today is the right start because you're going to meet the right people in the right fields that are doing some amazing things, and they're going to inspire you to go out there and do amazing things. But I do want to give you one thing to keep in mind. When you go out there and you become successful, make sure you look back and you help somebody else. That's really the key to networking, is that we help pick others up, and by that, we also pick ourselves up. And that's how we can make our dream into a reality. And the final step is trust the process and trust your dreams. A lot of times we expect everything to go perfect all the time. The truth is, there's really nothing that's perfect out there but God. You have to trust the process. You have to trust that there is a higher power giving you the specific dream that you have in your mind and in your heart. Trust that. Believe that you are a vessel and you can make that dream come into a reality. That is the most special thing about having a dream. It's the vision that you have that's been given authentically to you. You have that vision. Why do you have that vision? You can be anything in the world. There's trillions of things out here that you can do. But why is it that you have that specific dream? Why is it coming to you? Why is it telling you, hey, get up and do this. Be successful at this. You can be it. You can become it. It's because you have to trust your dream. You have to trust the process. The most important as you do all of these different steps is also give yourself room and give the room to God to just come in and just do what needs to be done. There's something stronger out there. This doesn't have to be on any specific religious type stuff. This is just really important for you to just allow a higher power to come in there and do the magic. That's the beauty of life, right? The spontaneity of just things that come in that you never really expect. But what happens is if you put yourself out there and you're doing the work to make that dream into a reality, that magic will come into your life. So remember, guys, if you have a dream and you believe that something is coming into you, don't sleep on it. Get out there and do the work. Thanks a lot. And make sure you guys check me out at snaprefund.io. You can see all the incredible things that we're doing on our platform. We're really going to go out there and change the InsurTech game. And if you ever feel like moving some money around instead of using some of the other incumbents, go out there and use Snap Refund. It's a great platform. And I think what you'll be able to see too is that how a young boy that came all the way from Guam, just living his dreams, wanted to build a digital payment platform and was able to, just because he trusted his dream. If I could do it, you can too. Thanks a lot for listening.